So if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, onto my media section right here, then you can see that I got some media files right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and export out these media files and download it to use it for some other purposes. In that case, what you can actually do is you can go around onto tools and export, and here you can see that media library file is an option. If I were to go around and download, then you can actually see that there's an error right here. So sometimes this actually happens, so let us go back right here. If you face that error, then simply right click and then open the download button in a new tab. And then what happens is that you will be able to see this. So you can see the download actually now works. So if I were to go ahead and save this out, it gets downloaded as a TAR file, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is the media export right here. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while, just like this, and then you can see that this is the media library files. So you can go ahead and utilize, let's say, 7-zip, let's say, for example, to go ahead and access out those files as well. So you can see that I have this opened up, and then over here you got the crop, tube, and so forth, the media files, as you can see right here. So let's go up, and over here you can see all of the media files which I have uploaded in the media library. And that is how you can go ahead and export out the media library files from wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.